Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston on Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a 2020 Boston Whaler 15 Montauk. Starting off with the exterior of the boat, this is the standard white hull color with the optional silver and chrome graphics. We have the white rub rail with the stainless steel insert, low profile rails in the bow, including wiring for a trolling motor. Got a large casting platform forward that can accommodate a bow cushion should you choose, and storage forward as well for your anchor locker. This boat is equipped with a fishing package, so you've got the cushioned cooler seat with a cushioned backrest and rod holders built into the backrest. You've got a compass, and then on the starboard side, there's tackle drawers built into the console. A lot of storage for a 15-foot boat inside the console here, including your battery switch. Stainless steel bimini top with black canvas. At the helm, we've got plenty of real estate to flush mount electronics, rocker switches on the right side of the console, and 3 cup holders, including 2 at the top that are plumbed and drained, along with charging ports for your devices. We do have a reversible pilot seat that has multiple locking positions, and then an upgraded larger fuel tank that goes beneath the helm seat. Livewell is aft on this boat, and the boat is powered by a 60 horsepower 4-stroke from Mercury. That's our 15 Montauk from Boston Whaler. Again, I'm Carl Anderson with MarineMax on Daniel Island. Give us a call at 843-747-1889. Thank you.